Hi, I'm Chef Tammy Brawley from the Green Kitchen. Welcome to Heart of the Home. Today's recipe is probably going to shock you a little bit, but I think it's a great recipe. I've actually made this before. If you put 10 chefs in a room, you cannot tell me that they don't have shortcuts that they use. We are all the same. This is a big shortcut. I had a viewer reach out recently. Hi, Vinny. And we're mainly doing this episode for him. This is an all-can chicken taco soup. Very simple, won't take very long to put together at all. What we have here is we've got some canned tomatoes, we've got pinto beans, black beans, some chicken broth, we've got corn, and we've got diced chicken, and we've got some taco seasoning. And we're going to put it together. It's not going to take very long at all. So I've got my pan over here, or my pot, warming up a little bit. I'm going to start out with black beans. The black beans and the pinto beans would need to be rinsed. So I would strain those into a colander and rinse them. Add the tomatoes. Add some corn. We're going to add some shredded chicken. We're going to add chicken broth. We're going to add some enchilada sauce. That's going to give it a little bit of a kick. I personally love anything spicy like that, and we're going to put that in there. We've got some cream of chicken soup. This will give it a little bit of thickness here. And we're going to stir that up first. It comes together quite quick. After we've added our seasoning, we're going to let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. We've got some taco seasoning here. You might notice that I did not add any salt or pepper, and I think that's important when you're using canned vegetables. Canned vegetables typically do have a lot of sodium in them, so I would be very hesitant to add salt to this particular pot of soup. All right, let that simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can enjoy a nice bowl of easy-to-make chicken taco soup. All right, so now our chicken taco soup has simmered for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and plate it. All right. We're going to garnish it with a little bit of chopped cilantro. Another nice thing to add is if you've got an avocado in hand, you can dice some avocado. And we've got a little sour cream. All right, and you can serve it with some crispy pita chips or some tortilla chips, whatever you have on hand. And there you have it, an easy, easy peasy recipe. Chicken taco soup using all cans. Vinny, I hope you'll enjoy this. I'm Chef Tammy Brawley from the Green Kitchen. Join us next time on Heart of the Home.